Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. When you're ready, tap on this icon with a photo and the paperclip at the bottom right corner. And first, to add an audio file, click on Audio Filter at the top. Select one of those apps, or click on those three lines at the top left corner to access one of those sources. Wherever you decided, after locating your file, just hold it and click on Select at the top right corner to add it. So when I do that, as you can see, mine was successfully attached. In order to add a video one, tap on the same icon, but this time choose Video Filters instead. Then hold your video and tap on Select at the top right corner as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!